What's the best way to market your property? Given that we're in 2024, no one is going to instruct an agent who's not on the major portals. So really, that's a bit of a level playing field. You're going to get the same level of exposure in searches regardless of which agent you list with. However, the real question is how your property is presented to the people that are seeing it on those portals. There's three major points to consider to make sure that the right people are going to click through on those properties and eventually come to make you an offer. The first and most important thing is the quality of the marketing. You need to make sure that those photos are drawing people in, that when they scroll past your property, they're going to stop, click it and look in further. Behind those photos, having a decent floor plan and even a video if you really want to push to the next level will keep those people there to keep reading. Next, you need to make sure that your marketing price is spot on. You need to know that you're getting the best possible price while keeping people interested, that you've not pushed it too far and out of their price range and out of the price range compared to other similar properties. And lastly, first impressions matter in property. You need to make sure that as soon as someone comes over that threshold, they're falling in love with your home. If you want to bring your property to market, get in touch with us at Eightfold Property.